எங்க மாத்த சொல்லப்பா, சொல்லிட்டு மாத்துறேன், இஷ்டம் போல மாத்துறேன்.
Why, sir, they changed the timetable?
Maybe practical lab, maybe something, the third year students also they entered, but they also left now actually yesterday, closed everything.
Yes, sir, full of lockdown and restriction.
Yes, yes. Maybe you have to come, I think so, for final exam. What they will, we don't know. Let them, we can wait till they announce. We cannot decide anything. Actually, final exam, they will call you for an offline exam. What will happen, we don't know. Because final year students, third year students, everyone joined actually. After that, what happened? Third, they came actually here. Hostel fees, everything they paid. Their start classes, 2 days classes we completed. Again, government announced lockdown, so all colleges can close like this. Wait, we can't do. What will happen? We have to face. Okay. Envelopes connected with the two parameters. Still now one parameter only we done. When is your cycle test 3?
Probably 19th Jan, sir.
No, 21st is the last working day they're telling.
21st, sir.
I don't know. I want to see actually. Behavior. Okay. Okay. Now you can see they may give actually find the envelope of finding a full find the envelope of straight line and take. While explaining the problem, I will tell you how to do it. Straight line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where the parameter a and b are parameters. Connected with relation a power n plus b power n is equal to c power n. Now you can see. Now what is my equation here? A and b are two parameters. Then now what is my equation? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Correct? Condition is what? One condition they will go. A power n, b power n is equal to c power n. And a and b what? A and b are what?
Parameters, sir.
Very good. Parameters. Correct? Now, what I want to think, I will feel b is equal to f of a like this. B is equal to f of a. Then differentiate with respect to a. Differentiate with respect to a. Take this equation. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. You can put let otherwise b is equal to f of a. Correct? Now, with respect to a, if you differentiate, what you will get? Differentiate a means minus x by a square, then minus y by b square into what you will get db by dA. Are you agree? Because b is function of a, y is function of x means you will let dy by dx like this, db by dA is equal to 0. Correct? Any doubt? Sir, okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Minus x by 1 by a means minus 1 by a square, minus 1 by a square minus 1 by b square. B is function of a, so db by dA is equal to 0. Now condition, you can see what is my condition. A power n plus b power n is equal to c power n. This also differentiate with respect to a, what you will get. With respect to a, what you will get? Na to the power of n minus 1 plus nb to the power of n minus 1 into dB by dA is equal to 0. From this, what you will prepare? dB by dA. What you will get to dB by dA? Tell me. Minus Na to the power of n minus 1 divided by nb to the power of n minus 1. Can you agree? First, you can take that side. This you can divide. N and n cancel. So, this is equal to what? Minus a to the power of n minus 1, b to the power of n minus 1. Are you agree? Clear? See, here given equation x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 and condition is a power n plus b power n is equal to c power n. What I am doing? B is equal to f of a I am taking. Both I am doing with respect to a I am differentiating. There if I differentiated, what I got? Minus x by a square minus y dB by d equal to 0. Then this condition also if I differentiate, what I will get? dB by d is equal to e minus a to the power of n by b to the power n. Clear? This value I will substitute it in 1. There also I got one dB by dA or not? Correct or not? This dB by dA value minus a to the power of n minus 1, b to the power of n minus 1, I will substitute it here. Where? Here I will substitute here. Sir, are you following or not?
Yes, sir. Here we should substitute that value. Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Correct or not? So in both
Correct.
equations I done with respect to a, that value I am taking in substitute. So second value substituting in 1. Substituting in 1. Correct? Then second value if substituting in 1 means what? What you will get? Minus a to the power of n by minus b to the power of n by. So first value is what? Minus x by a square minus yb square into this value. So what you will get? Minus x by a square minus y by b square into dB by dn. dB by dn is what? Minus a to the power of n minus 1 divided by b to the power of n minus 1. Are you agree? Is equal to 0. Any problem?
No, sir.
So this minus into minus plus, this you can take this sense again minus. So my equation become what? X by a square minus x by a square is equal to, if you take that set 3 minus means again minus y into a to the power of n minus 1 divided by b square into b to the power of n minus 1. So this minus minus will cancel. Any problem?
No problem, sir.
See, this a to the power of n minus 1 also can bring this side. So is this become what? X by a square into a to the power of n minus 1 is equal to y by b square into b to the power of n minus 1. Now a to the power of n minus 1 plus 2, because when the bases are same means
Base are same, add the powers.
power. So what you will get? Tell me.
2 plus n minus 1.
So is it
That
what?
is
N plus 1.
n plus 1. Yes.
Can you agree or not?
Agree, sir.
So
Similarly for
b
B
also.
also we
Very
can.
good. X to the power of a to the power of n plus 1 is equal to y to the power of b to the power of n plus 1. So I will stop here, but then already in small classes you have studied 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. Are you agree or not?
Yes, sir. If
Yes,
we
sir.
cancel, we will get that. Yes.
Same fellow or not? So multiply by 2 means numerator.
That is
Suppose multiply by 3 also 3, 3. Then multiply 4, 4. And this is equal to, can I write 1 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 4. Are you agree or not? This fellow
sir.
plus this fellow divided by this fellow. And this is equal to, can I write 1 minus 2 divided by 2 minus 4? Are you agree?
Same fellow, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
each ratio is same. This fellow is equal to this fellow, this fellow is equal to this fellow, this fellow is equal to, correct? So I can play anything, but I have to get same ratio, correct? So here also what I will do, what is my equation? Tell me, x by a, y by b. What is my condition? What is my condition? What
X
is
by
X
A
by
plus
A
Y
plus
by
Y
B
by
is
B
equal to
equal
1.
to
one
1.
is straight line? That is the line actually. Condition is what? Condition is what? A power n plus b power n plus c power n or not?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, after differentiating and substituting means what? You will reach both fellows here. So the survival split means, you see. Sorry. The survival split actually x by a divided by a to the power of n. Can you agree or not? A power n means 1 by a power n. Correct? See, a power n into a I will write, sir. This a power n I will bring down. This a power n by 1 means what? 1 by a power n. Can you agree or not?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Same
Okay, sir.
fellow, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
So this is equal to what? Y by b to the power of n. Can you agree or not? Same.
Yes, sir.
We have no right to change problem, but we are doing some magic actually. This if you take go back means what? B power n by 1 is equal to what? Into 1 by b power n. Both same this. Correct or not? So always if they come connected with the two relation means what? You can do the problem up to this stage. You can come actually you will get the equation, you will get conditionals, you will get it. How to get? If you not get somewhere you are done wrong. See how nicely I got x by I got, y by b I got. That's from equation terms. A power n I got, b power n I got. Clear or not? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this fellow is equal to, how can I write? You see nicely I will write. Already I told you some story previously. X by a divided by a power n is equal to y by b divided by b power n. This each ratio can I write x by a plus y by b. Now only I given the example 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 plus 2 by 4, 3 plus 4 like this. Correct or not? A power n plus b power n. Are you agree or not? This is true or not? This is equal to this means what? This is equal to both this. This is also. Agree or not? 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 means 1 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 4 I written or not? It's always allowed.
Yes, sir.
Correct? So this how can I do again? But this is what? X by a plus y by b.
1.
A power n plus b power n is what?
C power n.
See, again I back to pavilion. I go back to my world position. So this is equal to, how can I write? X to the power of a to the power of n plus 1 is equal to y to the power of b to the power of n plus 1 is equal to 1 by c to the power of n. Agree or not? I'm going back actually, my old position. Once if I written this, I go back to actual shape I am writing. X to the power of a to the power of n plus 1 then is equal to y to the n plus 1 by z. My aim is what? If I able to tell what is my a is equal to something, what is my b is equal to something, I want to remove a and b. That's why I'm trying. Correct or not? Are you agree with this step or not? Sir, are people are there or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Hey, speak out. Are you agreeing or not this step? Again, I'm going back. Actually, this is my step. I came to here. So my job is work. My work is warm. I'm back to pavilion. I'm going back to my old shape. To do this work, I'm using like this, separated these two people. Then once my work is done, means what? Ask him to come inside. Okay, we all together stay together like this. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Now from this, what you will write? What is a? Can you tell? X into c to the power of n whole power 1 by n plus 1. Are you agree? This and this you can find out for a. These two you can equate because each ratio equal, you know.
Yes, sir. We can do like that.
So to find this a, what you will do? X by a to the power of n plus 1 is equal to 1 by c, and these two fellows I will take. From this, what is my a? A to the power of n plus 1 is equal to x into c power n. Correct? A is equal to what? X into c to the power of n divided by 1 by n plus 1. Are you agree? Are you agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, why B, how you will get, tell me?
Sir, after that a power n plus 1,
Yes,
like
if you
we
take this
will
power,
write as a power n into a power
no, no,
n.
no, no. Where?
How you got a, sir? A power n into a we will write.
Yes, again going back actually into 1 by a power, that is nothing. You see, denominator I written nothing, anything. Actually, original shape is what? X to the power divided by a power n plus 1. This term I written a into a power n. This I separated like this for doing this. But for third factor, I want to bring third factor. I just something I did. Once if I got a third factor means what? I'm going back. Actually, my original shape is what? X by a to the power of n plus 1, y to the power of bn plus 1. This I came back actually. This is only my original shape. This how I am writing x by a divided by a power n, y by b divided by b power n. Correct or not?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Got it.
Once if I my job is over means what, again I'm going back. This is actually my original shape. This original shape I'm writing like this.
Like that we should do for B also, no, sir. Now we
Yes.
found
For
A.
b, if you do these two fellows, if you take y, b is equal to what, you will get, tell me. Similarly, can you tell immediately? B is equal to, tell me.
Yes, sir. Y C power
Very
n,
good. Y,
C power 1 power 1 by n plus 1.
once if you know a and b means what, substitute in one for equation 1 in line equation, job is over. This two, this you can take. A and b values, if you want, you can take equation 3. Correct? Huh? Otherwise, you can write a and b values, substituting in x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Correct? Huh? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. What is my a? Tell me now. What I got? X c
X C
power
power
n
n
divided by 1 by n plus 1. Agree?
whole power 1 by n plus 1. Agree, sir.
Y is equal, b is equal to what? Y c power n whole divided by 1 by n plus 1 is equal to 1. So from this, can I take common c to the power of n by n plus 1? Can I take this side?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this how can I write? X by x to the power of 1 by n plus 1 plus y by y to the power of 1 by n plus 1 is equal to c to the power of n by n plus 1. You can take the numerator. 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 means what? N by n plus 1 you will get. Bases are same, means division means subtract the power or not.
Yes, sir.
1 by n plus 1.
1 will get cancelled. Yes.
Right. 1 will get cancelled. 1
1
minus
minus.
1 minus 1 by n plus means n plus 1 minus 1. So n by n plus 1. Correct? Huh?
Okay.
No cancellation. Carefully can do. This how I will get means what? X to the power of 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. This don't cancel. If you take LCM means what? N plus plus. Okay, yeah. Now this is what? N plus 1 minus 1 means what? X to the power of n by.
This only is it, sir. Like
Okay,
n
okay.
plus
Very
1
good.
minus 1 plus 1 minus 1
Very
cancel.
good. Very good. Very good. H c to the power of n by n plus 1. This is what? It's a required envelope. Any problem? Suppose the same problem they may give us x by b, y by b is equal to 1. A square plus b square is equal to c square. What is the answer? Can you tell? Here n is equal to what? N is equal to what? N is equal to what? What is n? 2. If we substitute means what? X to the power 2 by 3, y to the power 2 by 3, we will get answer. The procedure is same. Getting or not? Hello? People are there or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you do another type this problem at least. That is a family of the LFs x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Condition is what? A power n plus b power n is equal to c power n. This is curve actually. This is the condition. So same thing, while dividing what you will get, you have to get a square, you have to get a power n also you have to get, then only your problem will solve nicely. Do try this problem. This what you will get, we can fill let b is equal to f of a. 1 by a square differentiation, what you will get, tell me? 1 by a square differentiation, what you will get? Minus 2 by a cube, huh? Sir,
Yes, sir.
1 by b square, what will you get? Minus 2 by b cube into db by dA. Do this problem. Come on. How many of you will get? I'll see. Getting or not? Am I making you confusion? என்ன பண்றீங்க சார்? அது மாற்றக்கூடாது. டெல் எக்ஸ் டெல் ஒய் அப்புறம் தான் டெல்டா டி சொல்ல முடியும். கன்வர்ஜென்ஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன வந்தது?
அதான் சார் டெல்டா டி டெல்டா ஒய் டெல்டா எக்ஸ்
டெல் எக்ஸ் டெல் ஒய் டெல்டா தான் இருக்கும், டெல் டி இருக்கும்.
டெல் எக்ஸ் டெல்டா அண்ட் டெல்டா
அது நேற்று ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் தப்பு பண்ணிட்டாச்சு. யூ இல்லை டவ் வந்து யூ போட்டு இல்லை டவ் எக்ஸ் டேபிளில் யூ போட்டுங்க டவ் எக்ஸ் அது ஸ்ட்ரிங்கேஷன் வேல்யூ. நேற்று மகேசனுக்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணும்போது பார்த்தேன்.
already using a appropriate level to reduce that. அதுதான் நான் வந்து சூப்பராக மாட்டேன். Using a portion of the components, I will put that on that. No problem. Always remember that is there.
So here we will get h square by a power n plus 2 equal
Hmm.
to y square by b power n plus 2.
So here our equation is what?
Question curve, sir, h square by a square plus
So
y
we will separate this x square by a square divided by a power n is equal to y square by b square divided by b to the power of n. Clear or not? So you have to reach that both fellows will be in your hand means you can able to go smoothly. Getting or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So automatically it will come actually. So dv by dA value substituting in 1. What I will get? Minus 2x square by a cube minus 2y square by b cube into minus a to the power of n minus 1 divided by b to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is equal to what? Minus 2x square by a cube is equal to minus 2y square a to the power of n minus 1 divided by b cube into b to the power of n minus 1. Correct? This minus 2 cancel. Then a power n minus 1 if you bring this side means what? X square by a to the power of n plus 2 is equal to minus minus also cancel y square by b to the power of n plus 2. Now only game will start. So this how I will write x square by a square. This is one term divided by a power n I will write. This is the life of the problem. Y square by b square divided by b to the power of n. Then each ratio I know. This is equal to how can I write actually?
Equal to h square by a
Very
square
good.
plus y square by
So that is
b.
the idea of the problem. Is
Yes, sir.
equal to what? X square by a square plus okay, yeah. Then this 1 by c power n. Correct?
Yes, sir. Again, we will find
Again
a.
go back and this shape you can go. Correct?
Yes, yes.
So once if I know what I will let, again I'm back to pavilion. X square by a to the power of n plus 2 is equal to y square by b to the power of n plus 2 is equal to
Yes, sir.
1 by what?
1
C.
by c power n. Now
Oh,
a is h
very,
square c power n.
very good. X square c power
C
n.
power n whole power 1 by n plus 2.
Very good. Similarly,
Similarly, b
B.
equal to y square c
Super.
power n whole power 1 by n plus 2.
Very
Now we
good.
should substitute this in
Equation. Correct? Huh? Maybe you will get 2n by n plus 2y, n by n plus 2 anyway. 2 also cancel actually. N by n plus 2 will get, I think, so equations. So answer. No, sorry. Equation we have to substitute it.
here we found a, sir. In question they
Wait,
are
wait.
asking like
Wait, no, no, wait. I'm coming. In equation we want actually. In x square by a square plus y square by b square I want to substitute, not 1. Correct? Huh? In curve I want to substitute it. Okay, yeah. Now what is a value? X square, huh?
X square C power n, sir.
C power n whole divided by n plus 2.
1 by
Oh, sorry,
n
1.
plus whole square, sir, because of a square, no, sir. We found only a
2 by, can I write?
whole power. Yes, sir. 2.
Y square by okay. Then what you will get? X to the power of 2n by n plus 2, y to the power of 2n by n plus 2 into c to the power of 2n by n plus 2. Correct? After simplification, the same pattern you have to get. Correct? Simplify, you will get. This time skipping the steps.
Again, that C power n common will go to right hand
That's
side.
it.
Yes, sir.
So this is the way. Correct or not? So this is that we're connected with the two relations.
Yes, sir. Required envelope found.
Yes. X to the power of 2 by what you are getting? X to the power of 2n by n plus 2, y to the power of 2n by
2n by 2n plus 2 equal to
2n by n plus 2 only, not 2n. Numerator only 2.
okay, sir. Sorry.
2n
N,
by n plus 2.
n plus 2 equal to C power
2n.
2n by n plus 2.
Where same fashion you have to get it. The fashion should not change, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And all are present. Somebody coming and going, coming and going. Network issue, you will ask. Okay, sir. Then next class we start beta gamma functions. I'll stop here. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye. Bye.